In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own Excel template. To get started, open Microsoft Excel. This is where you'll build the workbook that will eventually become your reusable template. A template is helpful because it allows you to save a workbook's layout, formatting, formulas, and overall structure, so you don't have to rebuild the same file every time from scratch. Instead of repeating the same setup over and over, you can create it once and use it again whenever you need it. As an example, you might create a simple sales tracker. This could include columns such as date, product, quantity, price, and total. You can also include sample rows temporarily while designing the sheet, just to make sure your formulas and formatting work the way you want. For instance, you may test a few product entries and confirm that the total calculation is displaying correctly. Using sample data during setup can make it easier to visualize how the final workbook will function. Once you know what kind of template you want, create and format your Excel workbook exactly the way you'd like future versions to appear. Add your headers, formulas, formatting, drop-down lists, tables, or charts as needed. This is the stage where you build the structure that you want to reuse. Take a moment to review everything carefully so your template is clean, polished, and ready for repeated use. Before saving, remove any sample information that you do not want included in future copies. This is important because anything left in the workbook may appear every time the template is opened. Keeping only the structure and essential setup will make the template much more useful. Next, click File, then Save As. Choose the location where you want to store the template. In the Save As type menu, select Excel Template, which uses the XLTX file format. Then enter a name for your template and click Save. Saving it in the template format is what tells Excel to treat it differently from a standard workbook. To use your template later, open Excel and go to File, then New. Depending on your version of Excel, look for Personal or Custom. From there, choose the template you saved. Excel will create a new workbook based on that template, while leaving the original template unchanged. That means you can keep reusing the same setup as often as you like. As a final tip, it's a smart idea to save commonly used formulas, formatting styles, drop-down lists, and page settings directly in your template. That way, each new workbook is already prepared and consistent, helping you work faster and more efficiently every time.